back to Y Guy's Farm. Well, this morning we discovered, well, actually a neighbor, thanks Carol, shout out, that our expert neighbor who's an expert at gardening, I got a message this morning saying, hey, you shouldn't plant tomatoes until mid-May. So we're like a month ahead of time. So, because if we plant them too early, then they'll die because there could still snow and frost. So we are kind of like way ahead of the game, at least in terms of planting, so we need to hold back on that. But that gives us time to work on the other bed to try to clean it up and get the soil ready for when the time does come along. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to sharpen our tools because they were not very sharp. I'm going to sharpen these tools. We got a action hoe, we got a regular hoe, and we got this. This is a, I discovered the name of it yesterday. It's a, I don't know, they're called a pick hoe or something like that. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, I really jacked it up yesterday. It wobbles, and I bent the prongs and stuff, so we might try to get a new one, but we're going to do what we can. So today's going to be working on the bed, getting the soil ready, and we had a viewer, thanks Jenna, shout out, who suggested we do like a time lapse of us working on the bed. So that's what we're going to do today. So without further ado, let's get started.
Oh, that's better.
Does that work better?
Oh, look at that. Oh my, Dad, look. I can't get it!
Okay, we got a lot of this weed block tarp in here, and it's kind of a pain. I was thinking about using it again, but that's big wise down. I'm not going to use this stuff anymore. But this is hard work. Back to it. I'm really gassed. This is tiring. I'm gonna take a break. Boy, I'll tell you, farming in Minecraft is a lot easier.
I know. That's what I was saying. I was like, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna use this rake, and I'm gonna be spreading out the soil so it has like equal amounts, and yeah, just so we can get different parts of soil. Don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know why.
Okay, everybody, we're back. I think we're about wrapped up with what we're going to do today, on at least for this episode, on this bed. We're both very tired. It's looking pretty good. Y Guy was just saying that it's not as clean as this one is. Not sure why I agree. I mean, we got some grass and stuff in here we can try to pull out. But I'm going to grab the camera and let you guys have a closer look. All right, you can see the dirt's looking pretty good.
I want you to get the rake so I can smooth it out.
Yeah, and you can compare it to this one. Okay, I think what we're going to do next is probably go to Lowe's or somewhere. I wish somebody would sponsor us. That'd be great. But I don't know. I need more subs. So we're almost at 2,000 subs. So make sure you sub if you haven't subbed. And then anyway, so what we're going to do is probably get some more rich soil and add it to both beds. And again, we got, I don't know how long until we can start planting our first plants. Swiggity Swag Scout is out here. He's enjoying being outside. He's got a dinosaur. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. But he's really enjoying this outdoor time. And we're definitely learning a lot. The biggest thing, like I said, I learned is, I was going too fast, and if I plant the tomatoes, they're going to die. So we're going to learn more about that, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.
Careful, kids.